Hello guys! So today guys is birthday ni Baba. So ito lang yung nabili kong cake sa kanya. Simple lang. Ayan, Black Forest yung flavor niya. So since lalaki siya, so blue yung flower. Rishika. Gumagawa ng birthday card para sa Baba niya guys. Ria, where is your birthday card for Baba? Can I see? Naayos niya. Ria, can I see?
Open it. It's
Okay,
a prank.
Ria. Anong prank?
There's nothing inside but another one.
Ang dami naman.
She made Baba 3D, but she
Ayan.
made us.
Hindi ko makita. Ano? Wag mo igalaw, Ayan. Ito naman kay Ria, guys.
Didi stealing a cake.
Baba, me, Mama, and and ayan guys, nagpansit ako. Yung chow mein noodles dito guys, tapos meron ako maliit na plastic ng bihon. So, pinagsama ko guys. Hindi ako magaling magpansit guys. Favorite ko lang talaga ang pansit, pero hindi ko forte ang pagluluto nito. How about Rishika? What Rishika put?
She has so many this thing, but it seems like angry Baba, no? It's like my hair
No,
is
It's happy.
Thank you.
So, ayan guys, kumpleto na ang ating simpleng handa para kay Baba. So, bumili si Baba ng chicken. Tapos, ito yung cake, and ito nga yung pansit na niluto natin guys. So, kami-kami lang. Yan. Inantay namin si Baba. Videohan ko daw siya, kunyari na surprise siya. Patawa to si Baba kahit kailan. Ay, nako. Yan, start na tayo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Na, kiss Baba. Rishika.
Lemon.
Supposed to be Baba like.
Let me feed you.
After that, give me.
Don't get with that cake, it might get caught.
ये बड़ा कर ये बड़ा. Thank you.